CEM ni full form tamo. CEM Chief Minister ta. MDC EM CM DY CM PM MP tai MLA ni full form tamo. Bohrokni samurok tamo te CM by CEM ni tamo different tong. Phadi aborokno silaina Kokborok IQ education ni BISINGTWI. Hello friends, norokno lamsogo Kokborok IQ education channel lo khaklayo norok jotono kahamno tongbaina. जों social media rogo tei kamini okra chakra rokni khugo khonao tei nugo chief executive member no CM hwnui salaimarok tai MDC no MLA hwnui ringlaimarok no bo kahamke saimayani bagui hake phadi aborokno tei srai wnglaiyana tabu. CM ni full form wngkha Chief Minister Kokborok bai hingke Mantri Okra. CM eba Mantri Okra wngkha hapangni chongjak bokhorok kaisa hasteni tai Union Territory ni haikeba appointed head of government in a state or sometime of a Union Territory. Chief Minister ni yagono haste hapangni jotoni slai fan bini tolao ke gubuni minister tai MLA rok. Power and function of the CM. Mantri Okra ni fante samrok wngkha 1. The leader of the Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly wngkha kaisa hasteni Bidhan Sabha Central ni Lok Sabha eba Rajya Sabha tongma hai. 2. The leader of the Council Minister eba Council Minister ni bokhorok wngkha Mantri Okra bini kokbai eba advice by no Governor kubuni Minister no appoint tai dismiss khlaio. 3. The Chief Advisor to the Governor eba hasteni Governor no suggestion tai opinion runai wngkha Mantri Okra. Governor bini advice by no joto function rok no exercise khlaio. 4. The leader of the majority party or alliance. Mantri Okra no kuchuk ojoma kaisa majority party ni tai alliance party ni. 5. He enjoy in both non-ADC area and ADC area. Mantri Okra ADC area ni bo CM tai general area ni eba non-ADC area ni bo CM eba Mantri Okra. CEM ni full form wngkha Chief Executive Member kaisa hasteni Chief Minister hai phia bono CM hwnjakya. CEM ke ADC eba Autonomous District Council ni simi kuchuk ojoma. Power and function of the CEM. CEM ni bo kaisa state ni Chief Minister ni power tai function tongma haino bini bo power tai function tongo phia ADC ni bisingo simi. EM ni full form ke executive member MDC elected ngnai rok ni bisingo EM eba executive member appoint khlaijago. For example kaisa hasteni MLA elected ngmani ulo cabinet minister ngma hai. MDC ni full form ke member of district council. MDC bo hasteni MLA haino vote ni bisingtwi KWLAI ngnai no elect khlaijago. Hasteni Legislative Assembly ni member eba MLA ni duty tai responsible tongma haino. MDC ni bo duties tai responsible tongo. DYCM. DYCM ni full form wngkha Deputy Chief Minister. Deputy Chief Minister ke Chief Minister ni yakchu. Deputy Chief Minister ni asuk power tai function krui CM ni tongma hai. Bo CM ni decision nama haino ma khlaio. PM ni full form ke Prime Minister. Prime Minister no hakto ni joto ni slai powerful person hunjago tamni hingke kaisa haktoro government tai administration ni bokhorok wngkha Prime Minister. MLA ni full form wngkha Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA hingke Bidhan Sabha election ni bisingtwi snamjago eba elected ngo. MP ni full form wngkha Member of Parliament. Lok Sabha election no je candidate KWLAI ngo a candidate no elected MP ngo. Omorok wngkha Barasa Kok Sabai Sukrumung eba brief explanation CM, MDC, EM, MLA rokni tui khaklayo o video ni bisingtwi srai ke bujimang khana hwnwi hambai.